afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I am fine, ma'am. What about you?
I'm good. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. It is my privilege to having session with you.
Thank you so much. So, what are we going to talk today about?
Yes, ma'am. So, can we talk about, ma'am, lifestyle date? Now, I watched yesterday news, and the news all about the lifestyle date. We are purchase things on EMI, credit card loans, and we can say so-called lifestyle. Everything we want on EMI, and especially youth.
Yes. So,
And we mashed up our needs and our wants, so that is also a issue.
yes, continue.
Yes, ma'am. So the news is all about, ma'am, there was a time in India, so being in debt and carry it same. But nowadays we are advertising. No, and there is a no same. And earlier time, uh, the a person had to take only loan or debt to build a house and for educate their children and maybe the medical crisis. But nowadays each and everything we want, and we just know take any loan and EMI, we can say, and pay buy now, and we will later think about no for the pay. So that according to the news, it increased 40%, especially this year 2025. So they are worried about why Indians are taking so much loans, and why they don't differentiate between the needs and wants. So that's why I think about the topic, and especially mention 70% of mi iPhones on EMI, and 40% especially the beauty treatment and botox. They are
Botox treatments, yes. So
botox
basically,
treatment.
people are living beyond their means. People are living beyond their means using credit cards. They are also trying to ape the Western world by trying to follow the lifestyle of the Westerners. We just want to copy models. We want to copy film actresses
Yes.
and celebrities. And this has led to a huge amount of expenditure on the part of individuals. Right. So
Mhm.
when you are on this journey of, imitating lifestyles of the rich and famous, your financial goals go for a toss.
Yes, definitely.
Yes.
And we trap in a circle and vicious circle, and it is very tough to step out these kind of the vicious circle. And the person who is not earn and that much amount, and they are spend more much.
Yes, so to keep up to that lifestyle, they may even borrow. They may
Hmm.
take loans, they pay
Yes, yes.
EMIs, as you rightly said. They
Hmm.
have to take expensive vacations even if they can't afford it. Yeah,
Yes.
because it is
Hmm.
fashionable to go for such exotic vacations, and all this results in increased spending, increased income. But when income goes up beyond, when your expenditure goes up beyond a particular level, then it definitely leads to stress and anxiety.
Stress and anxiety. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am. And
Yes.
question mark is also there. Why Indians are no borrowing so much money? Because our tradition is totally different. And no news reader told, ma'am, earlier we want to cap the loan. Hush. We want to keep the loan secretly, and but nowadays we don't worry about the things. And ma'am, my neighboring state Haryana famous for the loans, ma'am. Each and every family member.
Yeah,
burdened with.
but finally they don't think that if they are not able to pay the loan, the debt only increases and then it is passed on to your children. Children have to take on the additional responsibility and burden of clearing your debts. So I think it's not wise.
Yes, yes, ma'am. And I think no, the editor also declared 20 and 25% already no declared default.
Yes.
Mm,
So they have to go into hiding because they have because they have defaulted and they have no self-respect. They don't have any identity and image left in the society. So such people will go into hiding. So very nicely you have said that you don't understand why people are doing this. The reasons why people are doing this, that they are following lifestyles and celebrities blindly. They don't realize that they are not in that bracket at all and they cannot
mm.
afford it and they cannot afford it.
Yes, yes, ma'am. So the news recalled me one incident, and it happened 4 5 years ago with my known and we can say the distant relatives. So once they came at my house and they want to some money from my family, and we asked what happened. So that time he told one of my brother no took a loan, and after that no he declared default, and the brother is so innocent, the second brother who came my house, so he was so innocent, and both they are go in court, and he is showed up as a witness, as a
Oh,
guaranteed person.
yes. So he was
He
a
also
guarantor
declared.
and the whole loan came on him to repay.
All loan came on him and he had to pay. And so after that he got to know, and in future I will not able to take any loan from bank. And the wedding he had to attend. So that is the reason I had to come here. So no, nowadays the no people are what kind of the things they are doing, and even they are no spare their own brother.
Yeah, he should have told the truth that I want you as a witness for a loan which I have defaulted. So at least he would have known for the purpose that he was called to the court. Yes. So
Mm,
these are sad. This is the sad part of life and relationships. They don't even spare your own brothers and
yes.
sisters and family from these things. So what is very important from this discussion, Vijay Lakshmi, that we have to learn to live within our means.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Too much of EMI, use of credit
Mm.
card indiscriminately. You don't even realize how much you are spending.
Yes, ma'am. And we should identify our boundaries, and we should budgeting our money, and we should also teach our children budgeting, ma'am. I think it
Yeah,
might be a solution.
we should teach our children how to live within your means, not to waste any
Mm,
money unnecessarily. Because in
mm,
society, people keep spending so much on clothes, on travel, on very,
mm.
very luxurious accommodation. The question is, do you really need it? Live
Yes,
within your
ma'am.
means and not to get, because we should not allow greed to overtake you, because after a
Mm.
point it becomes greed.
Yes, 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 ma'am. And we should prioritize our things. What is our first priority? And we should differentiate our needs and our wants. Sometimes we forget about, and we just call, oh, it's my need. It's my basic needs.
No, it's not.
Mm.
So we should draw the line that beyond a
Mm.
point we should not get into
Mm.
just following and aping somebody. They may have the money, but obviously you don't, and so you have to live within your means.
Yes, yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, no, according to me, the loans leads to a trap. So, can you, define how can it leads a trap?
Yes, loans will trap you because you take the loans. and you start paying EMIs. You don't even, you not only have the regular EMI to pay, the interest amount mounts, the principal
Mm,
amount you'll have to repay back within a specific period of time, and suddenly
mm,
you feel that even your EMIs are getting difficult. What about the interest and what about the principal
yes,
amount? Who's going to pay
mm,
that for you? So
mm,
taking loans beyond a particular level is not advisable at all. Even if you have to take a small loan, take a small loan, see that you're able to pay it back within a stipulated period of time.
yes, yes, ma'am. And we should not listen. No, no, we frequently, no, ma'am, getting the calls from the bank side and financiers companies and so
They are doing
online.
business. They are doing their business. They are
Mm,
marketing. They want people to take loans. But you should understand that you don't need any loan and you are okay with the income you're earning, and you can pay, you can manage very well within the income you're earning. So why should you go in for these kind of loans and, people who go on calling you and, requesting you to take loans? Obviously, there is some ulterior motive.
yes, ma'am. And sometimes some people have a habit to spend money, so they marketings also. So if they do these kind of things and they don't want to money in their pocket, so they can invest it somewhere else. They can purchase gold if they want to purchase. So instead of the purchase a iPhones and luxurious vehicle, they can purchase the things they will value in near future.
Yes, yes. So it's very important that we should stay away from such kind of marketing gimmicks. We should understand what our requirement is and definitely not get taken into that kind of a trap or fall
Hmm.
into that trap.
Yes, yes, ma'am. And nowadays, ma'am, Indian whole economic is powered by this trend, no EMI, especially. And each and everything, say, even ma'am, if we watch our online platforms, they are showing small things on EMI, clothes
Yeah,
especially.
but one has to understand that when you pay something in EMI, you're paying much more for the product than the actual
Yes, yes,
price.
that education is required. How
Yes.
multifold we are paying
Yes,
to the
many,
actual
many.
price.
Yes, you are paying a much higher price at the end of 9 months or 10 months or 11 months. And the question is, as you said, we have to decide whether you really need the product or not.
Yes, yes, ma'am. The questions.
Mm.
So, ma'am, how can people get to know about it is dangerous, and what kind of the sources and what kind of the informations we should rely on? Because nowadays each and everybody is too ready to sell their product. No, and they are no master in this skill.
Yeah, it's always better to go through reputed banks. Maybe if you actually need a loan, go to a reputed bank, go to a nationalized bank. No,
Yes, yes,
private
ma'am.
banks will always charge a very high rate of
Very
interest.
high.
Yes, so
Yes, yes.
go to a nationalized bank. Talk to people who are in the market, people who already know about the product. Is it really worth taking such a costly EMI and paying for the product? They may tell you wait for some time till you save some money on your own and then buy the product.
Well said, ma'am. So, last 2 year back, ma'am, we decided to build our house. So that time it's a require some loan, ma'am, and we visited a private bank. Just you said that time we are not got to know. No, we can say the unaware of the these kind of things. We think oh all banks are same because most of the banks are converted into the private banks. So initial level, they provided us the interest rate 7 point something, and within the 6 month, they raised 10
To
10 point
10%.
more than 10%, ma'am. And after that, we got to know about and we collected information here and there, and we transferred our
Loan to
uh,
some other bank.
some
Yes.
other bank.
Yeah,
And
sometimes you are taken unawares, and once you get to know about these things, it's better to quickly wind up that and go to the next
mm,
possible and easy method of payment.
yes, yes. And if no, we just stick to that bank and we are just circling around the. So I think we would be never pay that
Yeah, we would
amount.
never be able to pay such an exorbitant amount. So it is good that you checked out
Mhm.
and got better details, and you could go get
Yes.
transfer your loan to another bank. Yes, that was very good.
So my
Yes.
point is that, ma'am, if we know any situation you have to take any loan, so we should keep eyes on interest rate and what
Yes.
is going on and other charges. They charge sometimes the name of file, the name of insurance, and so many things.
Yes, there are a
We
lot
should
of
look on hidden
hidden cost,
hidden policy. Yes, ma'am.
hidden costs. So you have to understand
Mm.
everything in the fine print before you go for loans. So basically, people have to inform them, get better informed about everything before they go for a loan.
Yes, yes. Just know we took a loan and after that we feel carefree. We should not feel carefree. We should and constantly go through the documents and we should keep eyes on each and every moment because
Y-
every year and after, ma'am, I think the 6 month interest rates sometimes high and sometimes down according to repo and reverse repo rate. These kind of things and data also matter there.
Yes, of course. RBI has the authority to change the rate, and whenever the repo rate changes, the interest rate will also change, and therefore you have to be having good knowledge of economics to
Hmm.
understand the daily changes that are happening. If you don't know the subject, talk to people who will tell you in a layman's language what can happen, and we guard ourselves before we get into a trap.
Yes, yes, ma'am. And we should avoid especially the household.
Yes,
No.
basically housing and all require huge amount of loan, and for such kind of loans you have to always be very, very careful.
Yes, yes, ma'am. If
Yes.
if you want to add, ma'am, anything, so you can add.
Yeah, that's it. When we are talking about lifestyle deaths, yes, it's on the increase nowadays, especially among the younger generation. And middle class people think again a lot before they get into this trap. But youngsters are very easily trapped because
Yes.
they want to follow models. They want to buy dresses every day. They want to go for parties. They will not wear the same dress again, so they go on changing and buying dresses which are very, very expensive. They will use it once and not use it again. And this will be a constant habit. And this increases their expenditure manifold. And once your expenditure increases and you have no check over it, you get into a debt.
Definitely, ma'am.
Yes, so it's very important that you safeguard yourself by not imitating anybody. Try to live within your own means. Do
Mm.
things which are, easy, but even with less money, you can enjoy a lot of things.
Yes, yes, ma'am. And also the loan providers, they are no talking as a flattery language we can't explain. So
But
we should also.
that's their business, and they are doing their business well. But we should not get into that trap.
Yes, yes, ma'am. I know I think the 4 5 year ago, my brother-in-law purchased, a seven-seater four-wheelers. So we asked, there is a no need to seven-seater. So he told, they convinced me. So we should not be convinced so easily.
Yes, you have to do what your income is and what you can afford. That's very,
Hmm.
very important. Yes,
Yes.
and even if you sit in a four-seater, you will still reach the destination. If you sit in a seven-seater, two people may say, "Oh, what a lovely car," but that doesn't really matter.
Yes, ma'am. Mm.
Yes. So it was
So
a lovely conversation with you today. And I hope you were able to get the points that we need to be very careful before we take a loan. We should not get into debts very easily, and we should definitely not ape and follow people without any rhyme or reason.
Yes, yes, ma'am. It is true. We should not follow, and we should differentiate our needs and our wants. There is a no need to follow our wants.
Yes, there's no need.
Mhm.
And small things, yes, but never for the big things.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank
you,
you
ma'am.
so much.
It was nice conversation, ma'am, and thank
Yes.
you.
Same here. I too enjoyed the conversation today.
Thank you, ma'am.